Just installed a cold air intake right in the middle of Walmart. That's how easy it is. Buddy.
Hell yeah.
Not too bad. Letting it warm up. Got a heat shield right there, away from the turbo exhaust manifold. You guys are wondering how it's done. It's a little floppy in there, but we'll probably zip tie that somewhere. And then we left the bumper piece so that way it's still shooting in air from the outside. Here's how it sounds in the back. Pretty quiet. How's the RPMs? Have to probably mount those up so they're a little bit off the filter. Hey, you don't have any zip ties? When you can, just zip tie these maybe like together like that. So that way they're not flapping on your filter. It wouldn't really hurt it, but just to keep it a clean look. Because you can't do much about that. This is creative, though. I like it. Hell yeah. 1.8. Want to rev it up a little bit? Not too much, but get the point. Oh, hey, come here. Alright, go watch this real quick. Hey, go record it and then I'm gonna rev it up. Oh,